Hey Corey, my name's Brandon and I'm from Sublime SEO Pro. This is my business and I'm a local small business owner as well. And in this quick video, I just wanted to give you a couple tricks and techniques to improve your online presence. And I wanted to show you specifically what some of your top competitors are doing, specifically Littleton Air Heating and Air Conditioning, and then Brothers Heating and Air. And I wanted to show you what they're doing with their online presence that's allowing them to gain more customers when people are searching for products and services that you guys offer. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what they're doing and how you can do it as well and how you can do it better than them. So, like I said, man, I'm trying to add value to some small business owners. I'm just looking for feedback, and if this serves as valuable information to you, feel free to reach out. I'd love to chat with you about this stuff if that's something you're interested in chatting about. And if not, no harm, no foul. I've realized that most people just don't know what to do with this stuff and they don't know who to hire and who's truly an expert. So at the end of the day, if this is something you're looking for help with, I'm happy to go about kind of consulting you on this and seeing if we can come up with a plan together. But I just want to start with talking about content. So let's go to your homepage here. The number one thing that Google is really looking for is content. So content is king in this industry, and what they're looking for is about 1,500 words on your homepage. So that would be a good starting point for you. The average website on Google has 1,500 words on the homepage, and that's what the crawlers on Google, they're crawling 24/7. It's a bot, and it's just looking for content with buyer intent keywords all throughout your website and all throughout your pages. So that would be a good place to start, is get yourself up to 1,500 words on this homepage. But what's even more important than the number of words is what the content actually is. So we want to place what's called buyer intent keywords throughout your entire site. So these are keywords that people are commonly typing into Google when they're searching for the product or service that you can offer them. So what I did was I just typed in AC repair in Littleton. That would be a buyer intent keyword. And here's what comes up. You're going to get about 30% of your business online from this Google Map pack and about 70% from these organic listings right here. Okay. So I've pulled up your site here and I've pulled up the analytics of your website. So this is a tool I use and it's called Ahrefs, and it shows us how many keywords you have and how many backlinks you have. And it just kind of tells us how your website is operating. So this is your DR rating, is your trust rating with Google, and this UR is your power rating. So the backlinks and keywords ultimately go into both of these, and I want to explain how these work. So you've got 10 keywords and it's generating about 4 people per month to your website. Now, oftentimes these are underreported, so it can actually be higher than this, but it's all relative. So when I talk about buyer intent keywords, we want to make sure you're using words that people are searching for. So AC tune-up checklist, not very buyer intent. These are common, obviously, because this is your business name. Littleton commercial HVAC, that there's no buyer intent there because people could be looking for jobs or anything ultimately. So as you can see, this one has buyer intent, furnace repair Littleton, but you're ranking at position number 85. So you're not getting any traffic from this. Okay. So we need to get you better keywords to place throughout your site. So if we go look at Littleton, Colorado, or Littleton Heating and Air Conditioning and their analytics, they've got 183 keywords and they've got about 244 people or more coming to their site per month. Okay. So their DR rating is higher and their UR rating is higher as well. And these keywords are helping generate people to their website. So that's the first thing I wanted to talk to you about. Now, the second thing I wanted to talk to you about are backlinks. So backlinks are really, really important for generating power to your website. So what a backlink is any link that links, any website that links back to your website, driving traffic to you. These are shout outs pretty much from other websites. So not all backlinks are created equal. Quality backlinks are far more superior than the quantity of backlinks. So it really matters which links you're using. Okay. So you guys have 16 links coming from 9 different websites. And with your keywords, it's allowing you guys to generate, 4 to 10 people per month to your site. Now, if we look at Littleton furnace repair again, or Littleton air, excuse me, they've got 920 backlinks, and those links are coming from 129 different websites. And with those keywords, they're getting, 200 plus people per month to their site, which obviously leads to more phone calls and more booked appointments and revenue. So we need to get you quality backlinks, and we need to redevelop your content and put buyer intent keywords all throughout your website so that you can start attracting, people who are searching for things that you guys can offer. So let's take a look at their keywords and see what that looks like. So HVAC Littleton, Colorado, air conditioning repair Littleton, Littleton heating and air conditioning repair Littleton, AC repair Littleton. See, these are all words that people are probably, these are all pretty buyer intent. Heat pump service, heat pump repair, HVAC repair. These are all placed throughout their website. And as you can tell, they're ranking very high, position 2, 3, 2, 5, for a lot of these keywords. Okay, so that's what they're doing. Ultimately, that's gaining more traffic to their sites along with these backlinks. So that's a very high level of why those are important. It's a lot to talk about without just getting too technical with this stuff. And then the last thing real quick I want to talk to you about is how to get into this map pack right here. So this comes down to citations and then optimizing your Google My Business page. So what a citation is anywhere that you can add your business name, address, and phone number to a directory, pretty much. And that is a citation. So Littleton Heating and Air, they're also at the top of this Google Map Pack. So you need to figure out ultimately, if you're going to do this on your own, how many citations these guys have, and then beat them out with more. So if they have 200 citations, then you need to get 250 or 300 citations so that you can beat them here. And there are some other ways that we can optimize this as well. But again, it's more of a deeper, more technical conversation. And yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you. If this is something that interests you as far as, putting together a website that's not, that's actually driving people to you, that people are finding when they're looking for your services, let me know and I'm happy to help you. And if not, that's okay too. I'm just trying to add some value to some businesses around town. And I'd love to hear your feedback on this video if you found this helpful. I appreciate it, Corey, and I hope to hear from you. Take care.